Did you see this noodle?
No.
Little red-headed doll. Her name is Anne.
Here, you want to open this one?
But now should we open this?
Here, you can open this.
Oh, that's mine.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
This is Haley and Ben. Help you?
Oh, for Mommy and Daddy.
That's what I need, Daddy.
The
No, the one she's opening right now.
Ah. Oh, that one. Look at that noodle. It's a cool
Hold on,
game.
hold on.
You go fishing.
Yeah, can
I
I
love that one. Oh, not right now, Pumpkin. You still have lots more presents to open, but we'll do it today. Make sure we have batteries.
And
for it.
see, and Ben even can play that game with you.
Every time I've gone to Walgreens for like the past 20,000 visits, they say, "Do you need batteries?" I'm like, "No, no, no."
Yeah.
Yes.
want to do this?
Yeah.
Here.
Look,
To Ben from Mommy and Daddy. That's to Ben.
Mommy and Daddy.
I wanna
Everything's
do
going so
fishing.
fast. Yeah, we will, Noodle, but wait.
Right here.
let's
And this
see what
is
else you
to
have. You got
Ben
lots of
from Mommy
presents
and
in
Daddy.
here.
Right here. Look, this is yours right here. That's Ben's.
No, it's Ben's. That's Ben's. That's your brother's.
This is yours right here.
Well, who's that from? You guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's okay.
This one
That's
open
big.
this Peppa?
Yeah, I
That's
know what
Ben.
that
That's your
is.
brother's.
Yeah, you want to open this
That
one?
one's Ben's, honey.
He let me open it.
No, you got
Here,
plenty of your
right
own
here.
to open.
This is Ben's.
He
Let's
let
look
me
at-
open
Here,
it.
I know, honey. You got your own. Look at this giant one from Nana.
Wow.
Papa.
Wow.
Look at it.
A baby doll set.
Here. You don't care about the
Wow, look at the size
more.
of that. It's like the one from Toy Story, Big Baby.
Mommy,
Wow,
I
look at
wanna
all
play
that.
with
I know, it's just a potty. That's what she went for first.
this. Mommy, can
Yeah.
I play with this?
Yeah? Should we get it open?
She has a booster chair.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was a potty.
Yeah, I thought it was a potty too.
That's a booster
That makes more sense.
Mommy, I want to play with this.
Okay, that's good. Daddy,
be-
behind
You're
your
not
feet.
done yet. You're not
You
done
got
yet,
lots
though.
of presents, hon.
I want to play with this.
I know. Why
What's
don't
your
you keep
baby's?
opening and I'll get this stuff out for you while you open, okay?
No.
Yeah.
Let's see, look at the baby out first. Stop killing
Oh,
her.
wow, you got big clamps.
There, okay, her neck is free.
Right here.
Oh, what's your baby's name?
What else needs to be
Ashley.
free? Her foot. Her name
What's
is
your-
what? Ashra?
Ashley.
Ash?
Oh,
Ashley.
Ashley.
Name?
Ashley, that's amazing.
She got fish and she got
That's a
fish.
different one.
Yeah,
Baby Ashley.
Happy
Okay.
Ashley.
She got the big teeth.
Interesting.
Wow, that's kind of weird.
That's very weird. What else is in your noodle?
Look at
Oh,
that.
what is that, bud? Oh, the bath set stuff. You got stuff you can paint in the bathtub,
Here's
Noodle.
for Nana.
Oh, no.
Just the little thing.
Mommy, can you look at the spoons down
Here's
the
to
floor?
Haley from Santa Claus.
Oh, Santa Claus got you something.
Is it a baby?
I know.
Oh, you just got a baby.
How many babies do you want to take care
You
of?
got one baby. Look at that. She's got milk, and this must be juice or something.
She got
Is she thirsty? Why don't you call her Annabella? I like that
That's a
name.
good name.
Is that Annabella?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good name.
Cards.
Can you open
Yeah,
this?
do you just need a spoon?
Here, look.
And a fork.
And a fork?
Yeah.
Okay. So she can eat her dinner? She needs a plate. She needs a plate.
We'll find out.
Oh, say.
Let's
Take,
let me
take.
cut one more thing, Noodle.
What's Ben
Beanie
get?
Terry.
Aw.
You can
That's
press the picture, but this is the
awesome.
word. I love the words on it.
Yeah.
What's it say?
Oh,
It
it's
says
mommy's.
Nana holds our hands for a
You get it
while,
for
our
mommy?
hearts for a life, forever. That's what it is.
Cute. The picture on there.
I
Wow.
was like, I couldn't believe
That's
I found a
cute.
Nana one, and then that
Yeah.
had that quote
Here,
on
right
there.
here, bud.
I was
Wow.
like, oh, I love it.
Ben.
Yeah.
Thank you, Daddy-O.
Did you get a sweater?
Yeah, I picked it out and everything.
Oh, you know what all your gifts are.
Yeah.
You're like, oh, that one's wrapped. I know what it is.
Oh, what else do you need out of here, Noodle?
Yes.
Baby
Haley.
Annabella needs some clothes. Haley, here's another one.
No.
No, you're busy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that might
Grab
happen.
Tom.
Oh, and she wasn't even open.
Grandpa
though.
Tom.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Hmm.
Here.
Oh,
No, no, no,
look.
no, no, no.
To
What's that
Noodle
mean?
from
What is
Mommy
that?
and Daddy. It's to
No.
you, Haley.
I'm playing.
This is your
That's
dad.
my
Can I open
dad.
it?
Oh.
Oh, she's letting me open a present.
She's a two.
Yeah, that should have
It's
been
to Haley.
three.
Oh, okay.
I let her open it.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank
she
you.
let me open it. I'm like, okay.
Bye-bye.
Oh, her dad.
Yeah, my
Oh,
dad.
Yeah, I
it's a
think it was
dish
for
with
her
Tinkerbell.
dad.
I don't
That's
know.
okay. No,
It
you're
said
fine.
Dad, you thought it was Terry.
And she needs a
Shoot, Amy needs a bib.
Oh,
You know what that
my
one is, Sue?
I think it's still turning it out.
What are you doing,
This is my
mister?
mom, I think.
Yeah, let's open up some more presents,
It's all
bud.
the-
I don't know what this says.
She needs a
Let me see this.
Ben, can you open my present?
See,
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Me.
Thank you.
I
Yeah,
don't
this
know
is a
who
neat
that
one.
is.
Sorry.
Oh, somebody needs to help get out, Neil.
Oh,
You got that.
What'd you get?
Tinkerbell.
Oh, wow. A pajama set. That's cute. Looks
Yeah,
comfortable.
thanks.
Purple. Yeah, nice and neat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love those.
Oh, and you get that off too.
Yeah. What else do you need, Neil?
oh, those my keys. Thank
Can I
you.
hold your baby while you
Yeah,
take them
open
out?
Grandpa Tom's present.
She's on the floor. She should be on the floor. She should be held. I'll
Here,
hold her
Haley.
until you're done, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Here, Haley.
There we go. What are you doing, Neil?
Are you all done?
Where's your bib?
You're not
I need her
done.
milk.
No.
No, she's hungry.
Nobody. I didn't cry.
Oh.
What's that guy?
Hey.
Hey. I'm
You're not
hungry.
done opening up
I'm
your present?
sorry. Haley took your milk away from you.
What's he got?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
What is it?
Nice a baby.
Oh,
a
it's
picture.
Christmas
Yeah.
present. Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, let me put it on her.
Don't let me do it.
What did I get, Ben?
Gotta hold your
Huh?
baby.
Who is that? Who
It's
is
like a
that on
calendar.
there?
He's ripping.
I put this on.
Look on the other side.
What kind of bib, honey?
Ah,
Oh, she thought this was a bit.
Mom,
What is
here,
a hard
I-
bib?
Oh, that's a hard bib. A food bib and a bib bib.
There you
There you
go.
go.
Who's this? Who's that?
And this
Who's that?
That's
Harry.
Her, who's
Who is that?
me.
That's you.
Me.
Yeah.
She
Who's
could
this?
put it in the booster. Mimi.
Sissy. Who's that?
These are out. That's pretty.
Yeah, Sissy.
Here, baby, here,
Oh,
here.
thank you.
Hey,
These are
hey.
all your presents right here. You
Yeah,
want
you
to open
got
them?
lots more, Noodle.
Yeah,
I'm
go
gonna open
ahead.
them.
Okay, go
Yeah,
ahead.
that's
That's
still
go
open
ahead.
them.
Okay.
You can open it.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's busy. This is for Santa.
What you got?
What does he have?
Oh my gosh.
What is that?
This is the coolest thing ever.
Dad.
Maybe
What are
you
they?
should
Dad's
open
presents.
What are they?
Look what?
How about this one?
What'd you get?
For
Oh,
hanging.
hanging stuff, yeah.
Oh, like in the.
Ben got
No,
that?
I'm not going to open them all for you.
Cool.
Come on. Ben, look. Here's a present for you.
Ben got hanging stuff?
No, it's Sagittarius.
Oh, okay. What is
You
Ben?
got one over there? Go get
Ben! Hi. Hey, what's for?
What's the? Oh,
Let's
yeah.
open more stuff. Oh no, don't push it today.
Here.